So over the years, I think I actually really enjoyed coming to pick up my brother at Shrewsbury City Campus. It's very spacious and the kids actually get to do so many activities. So what my brother did was, one of the activities was football, taekwondo, and I think he was in the orchestra as well. I mean, he really enjoyed it. The kids have so many things to choose from. Yeah. Activities, friends, and community. Just even like the parents community, or both the kids community and the parents community, it's very like refreshing and it's very diverse. Oh, I think he actually improved a lot in communicating skills. He gained a lot of friends, and they're all from like different cultures, different places. Like it's very like a wide community. Oh, the teachers here are actually very nice and very communicative. They talk to the parents always if there are any problems, and they discuss the kids' progress very well. I'm actually very excited because I was there just only a few years ago. So I really want him to experience what I did and actually potentially grow while he's there as well.